5, 4, 3, 1.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Successful liftoff for Electron from Launch Complex 1, rising and shining and on its way to space with JAXA's RAISE-4 mission. Next, we'll be listening in for confirmation that Electron has passed through max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure. Once through max Q, the rocket will have endured the peak structural load during ascent, and those loads will continue to ease as Electron climbs higher and higher into space.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Stage 2 guidance is nominal.
As you just heard, that's MECO, stage separation and second stage ignition confirmed successfully by mission control.